Is the TJ Walker clone available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Absolutely. Yes, it is. In that sense, it's far superior to the real thing because I get tired. I need sleep. I need weekends off. I need vacation time, holidays, family time. Not my clone. It is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, a lot has been said about how people want to talk to real humans and digital clones can never replace them. And I think that is true. But there are some aspects of where a digital clone is not worse than a real human being or a real coach. It's not the same, it's actually superior. And this access, this availability is one of those areas because you could be lying awake in bed at 3 in the morning. You just can't sleep because you're torn over some big career decision you need to make, or something is really challenging you and you want to get feedback from someone who isn't just a family member or a friend. You want to talk it out. You want to reflect on it. Well, the TJ Walker clone is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So that is one way where the clone is actually better than the real thing.